going on? Do you have a... That's with one hand out? The actual door ripped off of the unit already. That is a 22 horsepower Honda CX690, 22 horse. Don't let anybody lie about the difference. The output of this machine is normally around 6.5 gallon a minute at 3,500 PSI. It will do 8 gallon a minute, but not at 3,500 with a 3,000 watt generator on here. You can even see the condition of this door here. Will not close all the way. And here, I want to show you their vacuum recovery system. It's literally a vacuum. Sorry about laughing, but this is their idea of wastewater recovery. 525 gallon tank, yes, on an N2R. Grossly overloaded, especially with the fact that we got a 500 gallon hopper. Oh shit. That won't go steady. On top of that, water going into that mesh right there. The lifter broke multiple times. It had to be re-welded. So you saw the wet vac, that's the filtration. I'll show you once he comes down. Okay, to drop it down. Up. Wrong button. Okay. Right on.
Well, it's the opposite. Oh, no, you open it.
Oh, they're backwards, huh?
Yeah.